Alright, so we got Rain Alpha 1 done. Let's go to Rain Alpha 2. So this is just a new one, 2048 by 2048. It like knows that I need the opposite color every time. Weird. Okay, this is what we're doing. We need the gradient tool. And I need it just like that. So black and white. And I held shift there, by the way. Make a new layer. Let's do that here. And then I'm just going to multiply them together. So that's how you multiply. And if I want to adjust this at all, here's a tip. Double click that one. Make one more layer. Put that at the very bottom and fill that with white. Okay, so now I can go to this one and go to the move tool, and I can move that up if I needed to. And I can go to the bottom one and move that one down. Alright, perfect. So what this is going to do is prevent it to, it'll fade the rain from the top and bottom so the image plane doesn't show up. Oh, and I have to transfer this over to my Alpha 1, so edit, copy, merge. Go to channels, make a new channel, and edit, paste. Sweet. So save as, TGA. I'll call this Rain Alpha. Alpha channels, 32-bit. Perfect. So also in this video I'll go to my content browser and get those both into the content browser. Let's import. Weather video. Alright, and I am going to say OK to this one. In the next one, I'm going to use create material. Alright, we have our two alphas. Alpha and a kind of pseudo color map alpha. And then our material. In the next video, we'll put it all together.